Hi, today I'll be telling you about the principles of Reiki and their importance. See, all the Reiki healers are told about the principles of Reiki. True. But what is the actual significance of these principles? Hardly anyone knows. And that is what I'm going to explain right now. So, the most important thing is the five Reiki principles. Which are those? Just for today, I will not anger. Just for today, I will not worry. Just for today, I will be honest. Just for today, I will love and respect all. And just for today, I will thank all. Every principle begins with the word just for today. Why? We can't forget the fact that Dr. Mikao Usui, that is Usui Sensei, was a Buddhist monk and he was a priest in a Buddhist temple. That means he was very highly influenced, or rather, he was a staunch follower of Buddhist teachings. And the first thing Buddhism teaches is Kshanikvad. Kshanikvad is live in today, live in just now, right now. This moment is the moment which is important. And that is the reason why we are making every promise only for today and nothing else. So it is just for today. Okay? Then, another important thing is every principle has its own significance. Anger. Of course, in the later parts, I'll be explaining each principle and its significance separately. But here, I'm just briefly telling you anger. Anger is a loud declaration of your defeat and helplessness that can be used against you if detected by a person who is causing anger to you. So, do not use anger as an expression of helplessness. If you want, you can use anger as a power of or expression of your power. That's okay. Not as an expression of helplessness because that is going to harm you. Worry. Passive resistance to anticipated unwanted events. That means when we worry, we are digging our own grave, we are making our own self weaker. So we should not worry. Instead, prepare yourself to handle the problem and see how you can prevent the problem. That's it. So that is important. Then it comes to being honest. Now, what exactly do we mean by being honest? Is it me being truthful? No. Many times, telling a lie is an honesty because we have to tell a lie in order to save some life. So, at such times, telling a truth would be a dishonesty. So, being honest does not mean as to what we speak, it means how we have an intention. Honesty depends not on our action but on our intention. That is what we call mens rea in law. Mens rea is your intention. What is the intent you are having? And your action is interpreted and understood as per your intention. That is important. Then, love and respect for all. True, we cannot have love and respect for everyone because there are people in life who have very, very severely harmed us, troubled us, irritated us. Fine, perfectly all right. Try to see why they have done it. And of course, that doesn't mean you have to take all that nonsense. No. But you can tell the person in a loving manner, or you can prevent a person from harming you without losing your expression of love and compassion. I'm definitely not saying that you should have love and respect means if somebody comes to hit you, you should say, okay, sir, I respect you, please hit me. No, never do that. That will be madness. You can definitely stop the hitting hand, but you should do it with love and respect. And of course, I will be explaining all these things in proper details in the following videos that I will be giving for each principle separately. And last one, but not the least, is just for today, I will thank all, is because when we are thanking, our mind is looking only at the positive things that it gets. And of course, in the thank you video, you are going to find why I say that I never forgive anyone. No, but I thank everyone. Because when I forgive, what happens? And when I thank, what happens? You have to see that. And why I'm saying all these things is because when you understand the significance of each principle properly, you won't have to recite them because they will be so much a part of your being, just as your habit of breathing in and breathing out is a part of your being. Do you need to be conscious when you are breathing? You don't. Exactly like that. When the principles sync with you, you won't need to be conscious in living with the principles. And that is the importance, that is the significance of the Reiki principles. And that is the reason why Reiki principles have that much importance in learning of Reiki. Please understand that.